Hey, it's Aaron. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the Rakuten app and maybe you're wondering, can you save money and make money from the Rakuten app? Let's check it all out. Is it a big waste of time or is it worth your time, right? Anytime you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just with the internet, go ahead and click the link all the way at the bottom. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, save money, build income, right? I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, all right? So let's check out Rakuten to find out how good this particular extension app really is. All right, now Rakuten is a huge cashback extension app that you can add to your Google Chrome browser. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, right? And if you come right here, you just come to Rakuten.com. It basically says shop like always, save like never before. Okay, and it says here, 30% cash back, but this is only because it's Cyber Monday right now. All right, usually Rakuten will give you a savings of between 1 and 10%. So it's not a crazy amount of money, but if you're going to be doing a lot of shopping online anyway, this is a pretty cool way of actually saving some money. So if you can see right here, there's a little ticker. You can see all the different people that they work with. Some very, very big companies: Walmart, Expedia, Sephora, Samsung, eBay, Nordstrom, Sam's Club, right? CVS. So it depends on where you're based in the world, but this pretty much works globally, which I think is very nice because there are a lot of cashback companies out there that only focus mainly on the US market, which is unfortunate for people that live outside the US. Okay, so it's pretty cool right here. All you do is you can click here and join for free. I would add it to your Chrome browser. Okay, so as soon as you click add to Chrome browser, it's gonna look something like this. You can just add it to Chrome. I've already added it. You can see right here that it's the purple R. All right, and if you want to check out the shop, once you click on that, it's going to take you right here to their little shop, and it really depends on where you shop, right? If you shop on really big e-commerce websites like Temu, okay, then it's really going to help, right? I think everybody travels, okay, or most people anyway. You can use people like Expedia and hotels, so it can be pretty useful. Especially if you have the Chrome browser attached, because what's going to happen is if I come to Expedia Travel, for example, right? Because a big problem is a lot of people forget that they've got a cash saving app attached to their Chrome browser, right? But the nice thing is it pops up here. Okay, so if I'm in Expedia and I'm planning a holiday and I'm gonna book a hotel or a car or whatever, it's gonna pop up right here, and I can click on it to check out, what are the cashback categories that I can save on. All right, so you can see right here on activities, things to do, 15%, up to 15%. Okay, hotels, vacation rentals, up to 6% that you can save. Packages 2%, 1% cars, flights very little, only $1.25. So I wouldn't really worry about that. I would look at the cashback terms as well, because sometimes they're only available in certain countries. Okay, so you want to make sure that you understand the terms, because sometimes they're not that great, to be honest. It just really depends on where you're located in the world. Okay, but this is pretty cool, I think. So it's not that much. I mean, 6% savings on your hotel bookings, but over a period of time, this tends to add up, and it'll allow you to save a pretty decent amount of money over time, right? So for example, if I go to the Temu store, and Temu is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms right now that's out of China, but it's really big in the US right now too. It's actually big globally. I buy stuff from Temu as well. If you look at this, it says 30%, but this is because it's Cyber Monday. Okay, if we look at the cashback terms, unfortunately this one for Rakuten is only for US orders. All right, so if you're not based in the US, then you're not going to be able to save any money from Temu. Also, with this particular one, you have to use your browser on your computer. So if you use it on your phone, you're not going to get any cash back. Okay, so it makes more sense to actually do shopping on your computer, your laptop, your PC, because then you can actually use the Rakuten cashback app, if that makes sense. Okay, now what you would do is you would just do your regular shopping. Okay, so you'd come to all these different websites, you just shop, don't really think about it. And what will happen is over time, you're going to add savings here and there, 1% here, 5% there, 3% here, 5% there, that kind of thing, right? And the nice thing is that they pay out quarterly, so once every 3 months, and you can get paid directly through PayPal or by check. Okay, and you only need to save $5 for them to pay out. And it's pretty easy to get to $5, honestly. If you're just shopping on a regular basis like you normally do anyway, once a week, a couple of times a week, that sort of thing, it adds up slowly, okay? So you're not going to make a ton of money with the Rakuten extension app, but I think that if you do use it the way that I mentioned in this video, and you've got it as your browser, and it pops up when you do things like, travel, or you shop on places like Temu, or you book a hotel on hotels.com, or you shop at some of the big places that they have right here, like you're gonna shop anyway, right? Then you will definitely save some money, and they'll pay you out by check or by PayPal, which I think is really cool. And for people that don't live in the US, this is also available for you outside of the US, which I think is great. Okay, so while this is not going to make you rich, it's certainly not going to hurt, and you can potentially save up to a few $100s a month if you do a lot of shopping online, especially if you do shopping from these kind of stores anyway. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so if you want to check out Rakuten, go to rakuten.com, and then you can just go ahead and add it to your Chrome browser right there. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now and you're looking for a way to earn more money, right, this is a great way to save money, but it's not really a great way to create cash flow, right? How do you earn more money? Now on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. For me, there's a favorite way. I got to over $10,000 a month with this particular strategy. It's global. Anyone with an internet connection can do it. It's great for beginners, especially if you've never earned money online before. If you want to check it out, I've got a free step-by-step masterclass. Just click the link all the way at the bottom and you can check that out. I hope you enjoyed this review of Rakuten, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.